Hi folks, I'm Tom Kwick, back with you again. Another severe thunderstorm warning for a different storm across about the same part of Sabine Parish, that northern part, northwestern corner, if you will. In fact, this one doesn't even include Converse or Oak Grove there, just a small portion of that rural northwest part of Sabine Parish right in there for this south end of this cell kind of grazing by. We got a second cell back off to the west that is going to fill in the warned area. And so this one's exiting, this one's coming in. So the severe thunderstorm warning is going to be on this particular cell right in here. So we've got a standard warning for this. This is a quarter-inch, quarter-size hail, and wind gust could reach 60 miles per hour with this particular storm. So again, that's kind of the basic warning that is most commonly issued in severe thunderstorm warnings. So the things to do here is to stay indoors, stay away from windows. Of course, it's a good idea not to travel. Travel is discouraged with this, but if you're traveling away from it to the south, you can. But again, best just to stay put, stay away from windows and that type thing. So this is a severe thunderstorm warning for, again, northwest corner of Sabine Parish. We still see other storms back off to the west. In fact, we're seeing storms a little bit farther to the southwest now. And eventually, this will probably fill in central Louisiana during the overnight period. I want to show you one thing, too, that's related to this whole thing. I'll put this into motion. You can see the front right there. This represents kind of the density current that we're seeing on the front with the reflectivity data. You see it's moving through plain dealing, trying to get through Oil City, just to the northwest of Shreveport. So when that front comes into the area, it will undercut any convection around it. But once it gets further to the south, it will begin running into this atmosphere, which is pretty unstable to the south of Shreveport. So I think the biggest problems in Louisiana it will be in our part of the world with some of this high octane fuel that we've got remaining here during the night. Now, the nocturnal cooling will take some of that energy away, but there's a good bit of it today. You know how warm it was today. It was humid and it is unstable, and it remains so. So we could see some problematic convection come out of this deal as this front begins to come through and lift the atmosphere. The cold front shaped like this, like an arc there, it literally kind of bulldozes up the atmosphere and creates storms with that strong vertical or upward motion, strong lift in the atmosphere. So that's what to watch out for in the future. So this is only the second warning. We're not anywhere near through with this. It's going to take it till probably about 8 o'clock in the morning to do its thing farther to the south and then get across our southern parishes, and the front moves out. So this is going to be an all-nighter for Nick and I. Hopefully we won't have any tornado warnings or anything like that, but you never know because some of these storms are supercells, which means they have a rotating updraft, and you can always get a quick spin-up tornado with that. If we see some of this congeal into a quasi-convective line, stationary line kind of thing, a wavy squall line, if you will, then those can also produce tornadoes. So some tornado potentials on the table, strong damaging wind is, but right now, as far as the parameter space is concerned in the environment, I think it fits hail better than anything else. All right, I'm going to let you go with this just this basic warning here for the extreme northwest corner of Sabine Parish. Stay indoors and stay away from windows, and stay put, don't travel, and you'll be doing your part to keep yourself safe. If anything else happens, Nick or I will let you know. Take care.